Alright, so it came today, the StealthController. I'm not going to show you the other side because obviously it has my information and shit. Don't want to leak that too much. But yeah, let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, I think this is literally just it. Nice little varied StealthController. What's it came with this? I don't know. I didn't know they meant to send me this or not, but yeah. I guess let's get to installing this thing. Down here on the floor, let's turn the flashlight on real quick. So there's a screw that you have to undo there. There's a screw meant to be there. I mean, you can actually see it there, but it's meant to be in front of that. And there's a screw right there you have to undo as well. And this hopefully should just not break and pull down. Maybe? Please? I'm missing the screw. I don't think I am. Oh, let me get back to you. I'll come back to you when this is pulled off. I got it. They're all clips. I don't know how the fuck I'm meant to put it back on, but yeah. There's clips. So now, actually, fuck. Let me move out of the way. Alright. Now I should be able to do something with that. There we go. See the orange thingy? Or not orange, fucking the brown thingy. That's what I'm gonna have to undo. And apparently it's a pain in the ass, so yeah, I'll give you an update. Alright, been a couple of days since that last video. Basically, the little connection that connects to the throttle, yeah, it didn't fit. It was for a VF. So I had to send it back, and now I'm waiting to get another part, like the VE connection. So it's gonna be a part 2 to this video. Make sure to hit the follow button if you guys want to see the part 2. And yeah, I'll test it out and everything. Make sure it's all good. And maybe I can do one top of those videos, just drive away, you know what I mean. But yeah, follow for part 2 and all that. I'll see you guys later.